This coin is going to be my darling favorite coin in the next coming few days. At the moment, I'm really keeping an eye on this one, really keeping an eye on it. So you've been overextended, you've pushed to the moon, you've really gone high, but it actually hits every single damn thing you need in a coin to trade. Okay, so number one, I talked about this saucer bottom, and this is where you're breaking out. It needs the retest down here at the nearly $1.3, and then you're looking. If you do backtest successfully, the technical target is up here to $4.3, right? This coin is so damn good in every single damn angle. It just needs a successful damn retest, and we're about to actually take off. Take off. Literally take off. Number one, you have three white soldiers. Okay? Number two, you have the saucer bottom here, which is a bullish pattern and a reversal pattern to go to the upside. Number two, you have amazing volume. Look at that volume. Amazing volume, which you never even pretty much you never had it before. Volume breakout, resistance breakout as well. Come for the retest, and that's amazing. Okay? The volume is check. The next thing to talk about it is going to be the monthly time frame. So look at it. Bullish engulfing candlestick. You're making the bullish engulfing candlestick, and that actually means on a monthly, it's freaking damn bullish, and it can actually go to 4.3 on a monthly time frame. It's amazing. All it freaking needs is a retest. Okay, and we're pretty much now putting an evening star right now, and I do expect in the next coming few days you can actually retrace for the next 2 or 3 days, come down here, maybe on the third day, fourth day, start to reverse a little bit, and then take off, move up to that technical target. I'm looking to actually take this trade anyway. So let's move on to the next coin, which is going to be SHIB.